Hello Jerry, thank you for joining me today. How are you?
Hello Joanna, I'm doing great. How about you?
I am doing well, thank you. Let us get started with the interview. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself and your background?
Of course. I have been working as a Python developer for the past 10 years. I've been using Jira and Asana for project management for 9 years, and I have 5 years of experience working with machine learning features. I also have experience with HTML, CSS, and version control systems like GitHub and Bitbucket.
That is an impressive background, Jerry. Can you please elaborate on your experience with Python? What kind of projects have you worked on, and what libraries or frameworks have you used?
I've worked on a wide range of projects, from web development using Django and Flask, to data analysis and processing with Pandas and NumPy. I have also developed RESTful APIs and have experience with asynchronous programming using Asyncio. In the machine learning field, I've used libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn for various projects, such as image recognition and natural language processing.
It sounds like you have a diverse set of skills. Now, let us discuss your experience with project management tools like Jira and Asana. How have you utilized these tools in your projects, and how do you ensure effective communication within your team?
I've used Jira and Asana to manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with team members on various projects. I typically create boards and assign tasks to the appropriate team members, ensuring that priorities are clear and deadlines are set. To maintain effective communication, I hold regular stand-up meetings to discuss progress and any blockers. I also make sure to use the commenting and notification features within the project management tools to keep everyone informed and engaged.
Great. Moving on to version control systems, can you talk about your experience with GitHub and Bitbucket? How do you manage your code repositories, and how do you ensure that your team follows best practices when working with version control?
I have used both GitHub and Bitbucket extensively for managing code repositories. I always create branches for new features or bug fixes and encourage my teammates to do the same. I enforce a strict code review process, where every pull request must be reviewed and approved by at least one other team member before merging. This helps maintain code quality and catch potential issues early on. Additionally, I make sure to keep the commit history clean and organized, using clear commit messages and squashing commits when necessary.
That is a good approach to maintaining code quality. Now, let us discuss your experience with HTML and CSS. How proficient are you in front-end development, and how do you ensure that your code is responsive and accessible?
While my primary focus has been on back-end development, I do have experience with front-end development using HTML and CSS. I am familiar with various CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation to create responsive designs. To ensure accessibility, I follow best practices like using semantic HTML elements, proper heading structures, and alt attributes for images. I also use tools like Wave and Lighthouse to check for accessibility issues and address them accordingly.
That is great to hear. Now, let us discuss your experience with machine learning features. Can you share a specific project where you implemented machine learning, and explain the challenges you faced and how you overcame them?
Certainly. One of my most recent projects involved building a natural language processing model to analyze and classify customer reviews for a large e-commerce company. I used TensorFlow and Keras for building the neural network, and scikit-learn for pre-processing the data and evaluating the model. One of the main challenges I faced was dealing with a large, imbalanced dataset. To address this issue, I applied various techniques such as oversampling the minority class, using weighted loss functions, and experimenting with different model architectures. I also spent considerable time on feature engineering and hyperparameter tuning to improve the model's performance. Ultimately, the model achieved a high level of accuracy in classifying customer reviews, leading to improved customer satisfaction and better insights for the company.
That sounds like a successful project. Can you tell me about a time when you had to collaborate with a team to meet a tight deadline, and how you contributed to the project's success.
In one of my previous roles, our team was tasked with developing a new feature for an existing web application within a tight deadline. To meet the deadline, we had to split the work efficiently among team members and ensure that everyone was on the same page. I took the initiative to create a detailed plan, breaking down the tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and assigning them to the appropriate team members based on their skill sets. I also set up daily stand-up meetings to keep everyone in sync and address any issues that arose during development. Throughout the project, I actively collaborated with my teammates, reviewing their code, providing feedback, and assisting with any technical issues they encountered. Thanks to our collective efforts and clear communication, we were able to deliver the feature on time and meet the client's requirements.
Your ability to collaborate and manage tasks efficiently is commendable. As a final question, can you tell me how you stay up to date with the latest developments in the field of Python development and machine learning?
I believe it's crucial to continuously learn and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. To do this, I follow several blogs and newsletters such as Real Python, PyBytes, and Towards Data Science. I also participate in online forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit to learn from the experiences and challenges faced by other developers. In addition, I regularly attend webinars, workshops, and conferences to learn from industry experts and network with other professionals. I also take online courses and complete hands-on projects to expand my skill set and stay current with the latest tools and techniques in Python development and machine learning.
Thank you for sharing your learning approach, Jerry. It is important to stay up to date in this rapidly evolving field. I appreciate the time you've taken for this interview. Do you have any questions for me about the company or the position?
Yes, I do have a couple of questions. First, can you tell me more about the team I would be working with if I were to join the company? And secondly, what kind of projects can I expect to work on in this role?
Certainly. If you join our team, you would be working with a diverse group of professionals, including software developers, data scientists, and project managers. Our team members come from various backgrounds and possess a wide range of technical skills, which fosters a collaborative and innovative environment. Regarding the projects, as a Python developer with a focus on machine learning features, you can expect to work on a variety of projects, such as building web applications, developing APIs, and implementing machine learning models for clients across different industries. Our projects are often customized to meet the unique requirements of each client, so you'll have the opportunity to work on diverse, challenging assignments that will help you grow professionally.
Thank you for the information, Joanna. It sounds like an exciting opportunity, and I'm eager to contribute to the team and work on these projects. I don't have any further questions at this time.
You're welcome, Jerry. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. We will be reviewing all the candidates and will get back to you with our decision soon. If you have any further questions in the meantime, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you, Joanna. I appreciate the opportunity to interview with you, and I'm looking forward to hearing back. Have a great day.